If you run a home decor store and you are tired of manually texting hundreds of new leads that you receive every day, then this video is exactly what you need. So hey everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business, automation and growth. And today I am excited to show you this broadcast I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that you can send bulk messages to all your new leads at once in just simple 3 steps. First, you have to create a template message, then you have to create a broadcast, and then you can send scheduled messages as per your preference. So if you are ready to learn how I created this broadcast, then let's just jump right onto my screen. Alright, so now we are on my screen and you can see I have opened the broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. And today I'll show you how you can send bulk messages at once with the help of broadcast. But before proceeding, let me explain what broadcast actually is to you guys. So broadcast is a function inside Pabbly Chatflow with which you can send bulk messages to your contact list at once. For this, you just have to add your contact list. It doesn't matter how many contacts are there in your list. It can be 1, it can be 5, it can be 50, it can be 500. With this broadcast, you can send bulk messages at once to all your contacts. Now I'll show you a live example of how our broadcast will look to our customers when they will open their WhatsApps. So for this, I'll just go here to my WhatsApp and you can see here is the broadcast that I have sent it to my demo number, and it is saying, "Hello there Ajay, thank you for reaching out to Elegance Home Decor, where we turn houses into homes." So this was our broadcast that I have sent as a test to myself, and now I'll show you how exactly I created this broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For this, you just have to go into the new tab and you have to enter pabbly.com/chatflow and then just click on enter. And when you will click on enter, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly, wherein you get 2 options on this top right corner here as sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, then you should just simply click on sign in and open your account. But if you are a new user at Pabbly, then you must click on sign up free and create your free account. For your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free tasks every month. So create your account right now and grab these free tasks. But as I am existing user, so I'll just click on sign in. But before clicking on sign in, let me give you a brief detail about Facebook community of Pabbly. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 individuals, where individuals post their queries, ask their doubts, and these queries and doubts are solved by our experts. So if you also wish to be part of such an amazing community where you can get instant answer of your queries, then please consider joining Facebook community of Pabbly. Now I'll just simply click on sign in. And as soon as I click on sign in, you can see I have landed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing powerful apps. But today we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So I'll just click on this access now. And as soon as I click on access now, you can see I have landed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see this is the option of add WhatsApp number. Through this option, you can add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. And to add your WhatsApp number, Pabbly Chatflow gives you 2 different ways. One is our WhatsApp Connect and other is our manual token connect. If you wish and you want to learn more about how you can add your WhatsApp number, then we have a specific video created for this. You can just check our description box. I have pasted the link of such video in my description box. And on this left side here, you can see there are various options like dashboard, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast. This is the broadcast that I will use today to create our broadcast. Flows, this is the most powerful function of Pabbly Chatflow. AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. We have separate videos for each of these functions. If you wish to know more about them, then you just check our description box. We have pasted links for such videos in our description box. Now I'll just go to my broadcast and this button on this top right corner, add broadcast. Now I'll just click on this add broadcast and you can see here I can create broadcast and send my customers bulk messages at once. But before creating our broadcast, let me first tell you what is my objective and why I want to create this broadcast. So let's suppose I am a businessman and I run a home decor store and I help my customer to customize their houses and beautify them even more. And for my business, I receive hundreds of leads every day from various platforms. Now, if I'll sit and send manual messages to all those leads, it will take me a lot of time. So what I'll do, I'll create a broadcast and schedule it for any specific time of the day, and I'll send that broadcast to all my customers at once. And now I'll give a name to my broadcast as Welcome Flow Elegance, and from here I'll select the contact list to which I want to send my broadcast. And you can create your contact list through this contact option here. We'll go to that also, but at first let me complete this broadcast. So I'll choose this contact list that I have already set, and you can see for select message type I have two options. First one is pre-approved template message and the second one is regular message. By this option I can create a pre-approved template and select it from here. But for this regular message option, I can type my text manually and I can send it to my customers. But for regular message options, one condition is that you can send regular message to only those customers who were active in your chat from last 24 hours. For our broadcast today, I'll choose this pre-approved template message as I have already created a template for my broadcast. And in the end of this video, I'll also share with you what exactly is template. And now from here, the select WhatsApp template option, I'll choose the template that I have already created for my broadcast. And this is my template, and you can see this is the template that I have created. Now I'll just click on this done, and you can see my template is selected successfully. Now, before sending or scheduling our broadcast, I would like to test if my broadcast is working properly or not. So I'll just send a test message to myself to check this broadcast. So for this, I have entered the username as test, and now I'll enter the phone number. Here I have entered my number, and now I'll just click on this send test message. And you can see our test broadcast is sent. Now I'll go back to my WhatsApp and check if I have received a broadcast or not. And you can see as soon as I have opened my WhatsApp, I have received this new broadcast. Hello there, Ajay. Thank you for reaching out to Elegance Home Decor, where we turn houses into homes. So this was the broadcast that I have created just now in front of you guys. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Chatflow account and I'll complete my broadcast. So for this last option, you can see I can send it instantly or I can also schedule it for later. If I receive multiple leads in a day, and what I want is that I send a broadcast to all my customer by the end or after the end of my working hour. So I'll just schedule it and I can add the date and time I want from this option here. So if I want to schedule my broadcast after 6 p.m. so I'll just click on the 6 p.m. here on 16th of July 2025 and I'll just click on OK. And as soon as I'll click on this, you can see this new broadcast scheduled Welcome Flow Elegance is added. And now I have successfully shown you how you can create broadcast for your business. Now, as I had earlier talked about this contact list message, so now I'll just show you how you can create your contact list. So for this, in this Pabbly Chatflow, on this left corner, you can see the option of contacts is available to you. So you just have to click on this contacts and you will land on this contact page of Pabbly Chatflow. From this option here on this top right corner, add contact, you can click on this and you can add single contact one by one, or you can also import a file where you have bulk contact. If you wish to add single contact, then you can add the mobile number in this column. You can add the name of your customer in this column, and you can also assign any tag to your customer. And from here, when you'll scroll down to the end, you can see from this add contact button, as soon as you'll click on this add contact button, your contact will be added. And when you have added single or multiple contact to your account, then from this option here of contact list, you can just click on this plus option and you can name your contact list, add tags to your contact list and choose opted status, choose incoming status, and just click on this add button. Your contact list will be added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. And I had also talked about templates of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the option through where you can create templates for your account. So you just have to go on this template list and you can see on this top right corner here the option option of add template is available to you. So you just have to click on this add template option. This page will appear in front of you, new template. From this option, select template category. You can select category for your template. It can be marketing, utility, or authentication. So if I run a business, I'll choose this marketing, and you can give a name to your template, whatever name you want, you can give it to your template. So for testing this, I'll just name my template test. But for naming your template, you must read this instructions here. You cannot add any blank spaces or any capital letters to the name of your template. Otherwise, your template will not get approved. And from the select language, you can choose language for your template. So for now, I'll choose English as my language, and you can also choose the type of your template from here. It can be text, image, video, document, location, or anything you want from these options. And then you have to add the header of your template. For now, I'll just enter a sample message as hello, and you can see as soon as I entered my template header here, Pabbly Chatflow has shown me how the header of my template will look. So you can see this is our header. Now I'll enter the format for our template. This is a test template, and you can see this is how our format will look. And now you can add footer if you want to. So if I add my footer, thank you, and this is how our footer will look. And from here you can add call to action buttons or quick reply, or you can add both call to action and quick reply. Call to action button is you can add call us button for your customer, and you can enter your phone number here, so that whenever the customer will click on this call us button, he can call you. And in place of call us, you can also add visit our website, and you can add the URL of your website right here, so that the customer can visit your website from here. And this quick reply button comes handy when you want to give your customer some quick reply buttons, such as plan a trip. Your customer can easily click on this button, and you can know that he wants you to plan a trip for him. You can also add multiple quick reply buttons from here. And after completing these quick reply buttons, you can just click on this submit button, and you have to wait for Meta to approve your template. Meta can take whatever times as per their guidelines to approve your template. And as I already have various templates approved by Meta, so I'll just show you. These are my templates. So this was the template I have created for my home decor business. So you can see this is the template that I have created. This was the header, this was the format of my template, and these are the quick reply buttons that I have added in my template. So that's how you can create, broadcast, and schedule it or send it instantly to your contact list at once. So thank you for watching this video. For more such amazing videos, please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. Thank you. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.